Hello Disney family, I am back with another planner video. So I am about to show you, I got that for $3 at the Target dollar spot. That was real quick. But that first thing was Cinderella, and she is my inspiration for this planner. And now I am just measuring the boxes in my Happy Planner. This is going to be a little bit more intricate than my last one because this is what I do for my weeks. So let's get started, and you're gonna see me cut and move and do all this stuff that I usually do with my trying to make a decision. I never come in with like a specific plan, so when I do these I pick everything as I go because I don't know, I can be quite indecisive. But the nice thing about this specific paper that I got from the dollar spot at Target is that it actually fits that side of the boxes perfectly, so I can just make it into 3 and then cut it so it all fits those first 6 boxes. Oh my gosh, I love this washi tape. If you can tell, it's for princesses. I got it as a gift. I think I got it on Amazon. If I know where I got it, I will try and link it below. But I am so madly in love with this washi tape, and I try to use it for anything I can. But it's got Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, Cinderella, and Belle. I didn't end up using this, but I love it so much I had to show it to you guys. Now next I'm working on the sidebar, which I always do. I always make a sidebar because I just think it looks more complete when you cover all of the entire page. So I ended up choosing purple because I had used a ton of pink already and I wanted to match those princesses in the washi tape, so I went with purple. And then I ended up using this washi tape that I used up on top. It's kind of like, I don't know, it's pink and it's shiny and it's really pretty. I love it, and I actually really think it brought the entire look together. Now, this washi tape I also got at Target at the dollar spot, and it is these cut out die cut hearts, and they sparkle and they're pink, and oh my gosh, I think they just totally pulled everything together, and they just totally made this page. You guys will see. Now, these letters I ended up spelling Cinderella on the top right hand part of the page and messed with the spacing a little bit, but it ended up being great. And I got these letters from the Dollar Tree, I don't even know, a while ago, probably, I don't know, in the last year maybe, but the colors just work so well with the entire scheme, so I was really excited about that. Now, you know me, normally I would not cover up boxes the way that I'm going to because I really like to plan, but that Monday is Martin Luther King Jr. Day, so I knew that I wasn't going to have to write in a whole lot because there was no work that day. Here is the finished spread, and I absolutely love how it turned out. There are the hearts. See, I just think the hearts are so gorgeous. I love the incorporation of the other princesses, even though Cinderella is the star of this. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.